All right, what is up, fellas? We are officially done with F-Bomb giveaway number 4, and we are on to F-Bomb giveaway number 5, which, as you can see here, is this 2019 Street Glide Special 114 that we rescued from Copart, and we did it up F-Bomb style, got it all done right. We're running some crazy entries right now, and you can jump on this thing. But we're gonna lay it out how we did it. We're gonna start it out from the rear to the front. We got the Bad Dad Street Series ass end on there stretched out, which is including that rear fender, those killer stretch bags, stretch side cover to made it up to make it look good. We jumped to the front. We got the Bad Dad front chin spoiler on there and that 21 wrap fender. Murdered it all out with that low-co powder coating from Oaklawn, Illinois. Had to do it out right, air it out right with the dirty air fast, full air ride front and rear. Made it up against that MRI electric center stand on the bottom for when you slam this thing out. Jumping to the front, you probably don't see it in here, but we got the 23 American Suspension Triple Trees with the American Suspension Fat Tire fork cans, and you're asking yourself, why has it got Fat Tire fork cans on it? That is because it is made it up against this 2155 SMT turbine front wheel, wrapped with the Avon DOT front tire, looking good as you can see. So much more on this bike. All you have to do right now is go to fbombbaggers.com, buy anything in our store, and you're automatically gonna get entered. On March 30th, this could be you right here, the one that's gonna win this guy. So make sure you go to fbombbaggers.com, get anything in our store right now, and we're gonna get you entered. Unfortunately, if you're from Florida or New York, we can't get you in on this one, but on the next one, you guys are guaranteed to be in. So enter now. All right, what is up, fellas? We are back with another video here, and unfortunately the first file got corrupted and I didn't get any of this stuff on tape that we wanted to show you prior to picking up what we got right behind us. But I'm gonna flip my ugly ass around here and get my face off the screen and show you what we got going on. Let me flip it here. This might just be the newest giveaway bike that we got in. And we were about to do this one up pretty crazy. Reached out to a couple companies prior. Yeah, unfortunately the other file was corrupted. I don't know what the fuck happened from pulling it out without ejecting the SD card, but yeah, so now we're gonna have to give you the rundown of where we're at right now. We have ourselves a 2019 Street Glide Special with a 114 right off the bat. The exhaust was banged up, so we actually threw this exhaust on here right now that I had laying around just to be able to fire it up. Got most of the body off and whatnot that was still here. Wasn't much left to it. Kind of cleaned it up and whatnot. We're gonna throw a battery in it, throw power to it, and then just make sure it fires. And that is gonna be stage one of what we got going on here. But no power, we don't know the mileage yet, so we'll find out that shortly. It's a 114, so it's a special, and you know, salvage, which will be a rebuilt when it's all said and done. But I'm gonna probably do the same thing, what we did on the other one, but with a whole bunch of extra stuff. So just stay tuned. We're gonna put the fairing on it, throw a battery on it, and see if we can get it fired up, because it does have a key, I believe. It's somewhere around here. Yeah, we got the key to it, so hopefully it should have power to that key. As long as she's running, then we're good to go, and then we're gonna start the tear down and go from there. So stay tuned. So we check the fluids, throwing power to it, put a tank on it, only have the starter side, ignition switch right here. Then we should now see if what mileage it has too.
You think that gauge will work?
Should, it's just the glass is fucked up. It has the turbine wheels on it, which are the turbine style. I dig them, they're different. We good?
Yeah, we gotta make sure the bend is not a neutral, huh?
We need an ignition switch too. So hopefully in the next video, all this chrome is gonna come off
but I gotta hit up Loco, and he's gonna hate me because we need it done in a rush.
But Loco's the man.
Yeah.
He comes through all the time for us.
He gives you that mirror black finish,
Yes, sir.
power, like fucking paint.
The transmitter thing, whatever.
It should be on there, no?
Oh yeah, it's on. Yeah, we got lucky on this guy. A lot of things came in.
We need a 50.
A 50?
A 50. This is the key to the puzzle, right here. Let's see if we hear it.
No, it's we gotta. Can't turn it on with the ignition. Plug it in.
What are you talking about? I hear.
What you hear?
What's this ground that's on?
Whoa, whoa.
Oh, that's for the trickle charger.
It's-
All right. Well, we got.
Well, you moved something.
I wiggled the trickle charger power. Jump on the other side.
Yeah, we got no power in here.
No.
We need power for this.
Yeah, we ain't got no.
You hear it, right?
Yeah, that's the throttle body.
Yeah, I think it's got to be a fuse that's pop.
Yeah, because it's not doing anything with the pump now.
The ignition's on.
Yeah, I got it on.
Yeah.
What, everything?
Pop fuse. There you go. Gas pump going on.
Oh,
You had a spare.
all right.
We got power up there?
Oh, shit, we got power.
Yeah, but
7,400 rounds, so it's not too crazy. I don't know if that shows up on there or not. That's a lot. It's less than the other one. All right, we had some technical overheating difficulties. So we have about 7,400 miles on this thing. Not too crazy. So we checked the oil, it's all good, and I'm gonna give it a fire up, see if it's loud or not. No, it's gonna be loud, but as long as she ain't knocking. Oh, you turned it off?
Huh?
Turned it off?
No. What do we look for?
Switch. In neutral?
Yeah, check the gate.
It's in neutral.
No smoke or nothing. You seen that?
Yeah, no M8 fucking first startup smoking issues. So that's a good thing.
Yeah, no water coming out of
Yeah.
exhaust. Nothing.
Well, that's good. So we good. It runs.
Sounds
the
good.
throttle works. It's stock, obviously. So not too crazy. Nothing overwhelming.
Hey, but the key point is the M8.
Yeah, exactly. This is the
Yeah,
M8.
that's a
I
big
mean, don't get me
motor.
wrong. The twin cam's cool. And that one's got motor work done to it, as the previous owner said, as we talked about in the video. But an M8 is definitely more peppier out the box, way more torquier. So that's the good thing on this one. This one's still a hydraulic clutch too, because of the year, which is nice. So now I guess we can go into the meat and potatoes of the first thing we're gonna do on this thing. And that we can have, actually Macho can unbox it while I record it. And this will give you the idea of what we're gonna do. So let me switch over here.
Yeah, this is the original gauge. I don't know if
Yeah.
you guys could see it.
Yeah, so we'll just fix all that, put the regular gauge in there, then there was no error, nothing on it. Let me flip this guy. I'm gonna kill this for a second and get it off the tripod. What would they call that? I'm too tired to fucking say.
Trees?
No, your first fucking hint of what this is. American suspension. So we've got 2 boxes here, so he can start ripping it open. I believe that is the other part of the box that's in the brown.
Hey, we got cans.
We got 4 cans. What kind of 4 cans? Ooh, black gloss, trimmed and cut. That would only mean one thing if you have a fork can that's cut in the background, and I guess we have to find out by opening the other box. So you're not aware that American Suspension is actually all we use them for all the rake kits and everything when it comes to the big wheels, the trees, necks, whatnot. That's who is used in all the 30s, 26s, 23s, everything. Getting into the 21 fatties, which now you can see right here. If you're not aware, that is a triple tree kit and a 4-can kit. Here we go. These are 23 triple trees. So if you put a 23 on your bike, you got to put these on here. If you put a 21 fatty on your bike, you got to put these guys on here. So I think you know where we're going with this one. This will be 21 fat tire cans and 23 trees that you need to put on in order to run a 21 fat tire, because a 21 fat tire is actually the size of a 23. So those are 23-inch trees. So if you're not aware by now, yes, we are. We're putting a 21 fat tire on this guy. And the wheel isn't here yet. It'll actually be here tomorrow. And we got one other added thing that we're throwing on that'll actually be here shortly. This is the big part, if you want to say. That'll be here shortly via FedEx. So we're going to open those up, get them mocked up right away. But in the midst of that, we're gonna throw these trees on, get the trees done, get the cans mounted, and then actually going to throw our 10-inch bars on here too while we're doing it, because obviously this is going to be a street glide, not a road glide. So I guess, yeah, stay tuned. We're going to do that right now. Very much is going to do the front end. So stay tuned.